Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Colorado and Company. I'm Denise Plant, and after years of procrastination, well, it's finally time to tackle those money woes. It can start by lowering your home mortgage. Ideal Home Loans offers a free mortgage consultation to find out what will be the best thing for you. Now, once you save on your home mortgage, that cash can actually be used to help pay for other expenses. The staff at Ideal Home Loans works with you to create the perfect plan. All it takes is one free phone call to set up time with one of their team members. Now, this is a business that offers lower rates with a quick turnaround time to get your new rate in place. In fact, you can have a lower rate on your mortgage once you apply in just 3 weeks. 3 weeks, you start saving cash. Imagine that. Here with Ideal Home Loans and your mortgage solution is Brent Ivinson. He's also offering a free mortgage consultation. We'll have more about that in a moment. It's nice to see you.
Good to see you, too.
You're on the show at such an important time because rates are the lowest we've seen like in the last year, right?
They are. You know, we saw rates jump up at the first of the year. They went back above 5%. We've now seen them settle back down. We've bounced around between 4.375% and 4.5% on a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage over the last week or so. Now, we saw historic low rates late last summer and early last fall, but this was a welcome trend that we did not expect and a great opportunity for consumers.
Great opportunity to buy or refinance right now.
Absolutely. Believe it or not, Denise, 40% of homeowners who could benefit from refinancing didn't take advantage last fall. This is that second chance. If you're somebody who's paying 5% or more, we can put money back in your pocket and have you saving in as little as 2 weeks, and you could save $200 or more each and every month. Now, if you're looking to buy, the buying opportunity is as good as I've seen it in the 15 years I've been in the lending industry. You have a lot of inventory available. You have prices still have not come back from the correction that we saw in 2008. And with rates in the mid to low fours, it is a fantastic time, and your money will go so much further than it ever has before.
I can tell with all that positive energy. You're excited about this, and all you have to do is just pick up the phone and call that number at the bottom of your screen, 303-867-7000. That kind of kicks off the free consultation, and walk me through that process.
Well, when you call our office, it costs you nothing. It is a free phone call. We can look at your current situation, go through and figure out, does it make sense for you to take advantage of where rates are at right now, or doesn't it? And we'll walk you through the costs that are involved. We'll determine the break even for you. We're going to look at and tell you, you've got to be in your house this long for this transaction to make sense. If you're somebody that's already in a great situation and you were able to take advantage of rates, then you can go away with a peace of mind of knowing that you're in the best possible situation you can be in, and it's something you don't have to worry about.
Okay, so maybe there's people at home thinking, I don't want to buy a new house, but dang it, I want to fix up the home I'm living in. What can you do for them?
We have a great product available for that as well. At FHA 203K Streamline, it will allow you to borrow up to $35,000 for home improvements, and this works whether you are looking to refinance your existing mortgage or if you're also out looking to buy one of the many foreclosure opportunities that are out there. You can use this loan to purchase the house, get in after the fact, access that $35,000, and make those improvements. Now, what this is good for, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, windows, flooring, anything like that. The only thing you can't do with this product is you can't do an addition and add square footage, but you can finish a basement. So it really is a great product not only for people who want to renovate their current home that they're living in, but if you're also looking to buy a fixer-upper, this is a great product for that as well.
And I know you are a mortgage banker, not a mortgage broker. Explain the difference.
Well, the big difference is this. We're lending our own money. So underwriting, processing, funding, everything occurs right in our office here in the Tech Center. And what that means to the consumer and to the viewers of Colorado and Company is that we're a direct lender and we eliminate the middleman. When you go to a mortgage broker is out negotiating on your behalf in the marketplace with the bank. As we know in any process, anytime you layer somebody else in, there's extra expense, there's extra time, there's extra fees. With us, you're getting lower fees, lower interest rates, which translates into a much lower payment. And because we're lending direct, when we quote you things, we can guarantee those timelines and all those numbers in writing, and we can close in as little as 2 weeks.
Brent, there's a lot of people who are suffering right now because their home, they owe more on their home than it's actually worth. How can you help them?
We've got a great product available for that as well. If you owe more than your home is worth, and even if you've been told by somebody else that you don't qualify, call us. I can't tell you how many people we have who call and say, I'm glad I called you guys because you really can get this done. We can lend you 105% of your home's current appraised value for the purpose of refinancing your existing first mortgage on your current home. Now, a lot of people have a second mortgage involved, and that's fine. We can leave your second mortgage intact. work around that, and lower your payments on your first mortgage so that you're in a better position to weather the storm until property values ultimately come back. And it lets you take advantage of where rates are at right now so you can start saving money in as little as 2 weeks.
Excellent. And another easy option, I keep encouraging people to call and pick up the phone because it's a free phone call, free consultation. But also your website is just fantastic. It has so many helpful tools.
It does. We have a lot of tools. The technology platform behind our business really is remarkable. And it's what allows us to close loans in as little as 2 weeks. You know, I know you have kids, I have kids. People are very busy. It's difficult for people sometimes to pick up the phone and have a phone conversation. You can interact with us completely on our website 24 hours a day. You can apply online. You can get your loan documents from us online to review. You can send all your paperwork back to us online. Our loan officers will communicate with you exclusively online if that's the way you prefer to do it. And it works out great because a lot of people don't have time until, you know, things settle down at night. It might be 9 or 10 o'clock at night in most households, and this allows you to then start to look into that and communicate. We can go to work during the day and communicate with you throughout the day and even late into the evening.
I could be in my fuzzy slippers and my
That's
PJs
right.
and check it out. A lot of people are concerned about adjustable rate loans. Why would you suggest that that's a good option?
Well, here's why it's a good option. A lot of people right now with what's going on in home values doing what they've done over the last 3 years, they're looking to only stay in their home for 3 to 5 years. If you're someone in that boat, look at a 5-year ARM. You'll get locked into a low introductory rate for the first 5 years. Yes, it can adjust afterwards, but it's spelled out very clearly how much it can adjust and what it can adjust to. But I think the thing that tells it all, if you compare on a $250,000 mortgage, a 5-year ARM payment today versus a 30-year fixed, it's $214 a month cheaper to look at the 5-year ARM. Over 5 years, that's a significant amount of money that adds up that you would just be wasting on a 30-year mortgage. So it really relates back to knowing what your game plan is and letting us fit you in the product that works best for your individual situation.
Okay, what if somebody doesn't qualify? Does everybody qualify?
No, everybody doesn't qualify. But if you don't, what we can do is tell you what you need to do to put yourself in a position to qualify down the road. A lot of people have less than perfect credit, and that's fine. If you don't qualify, we're going to tell you what aspects you need to change and where you can make some inroads so that we can hopefully help you a year from now down the line.
A lot of great answers. Thank you.
Great. Thanks.
Again, it doesn't cost to call at all, or you can go online to see about lowering your mortgage with Ideal Home Loans. Their phone number is 303-867-7000. Set up your free mortgage consultation today. And now is the time with historic mortgage lows to save on your monthly payment. Ideal Home Loans can have you saving money in just 3 weeks. Remember, Ideal Home Loans offers lower rates with a quicker turnaround, and that gives you time to put cash back in your wallet. The number again, 303-867-7000, 303-867-7000. The web address is idealhomeloans.com, and Ideal Home Loans paid for this segment.